Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. Today's video, I will guide you guys on how you guys can fix your iMessage signed out error. So if you're using iPhone and you are signed out of your, iMessage, then you cannot message anybody. And even if somebody calls you or messages you, you cannot receive it. If you're facing this problem, then I'm going to be showing you some steps which you guys can follow. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, first hit that subscribe button and like our video because it helps this video reach more people out. Now let's start it. First thing first, you want to click on where it says settings. Once you're in your setting, you want to scroll a bit down and go on where it says general. Once you're inside general where it says date and time, click on it. Sometimes it is not set on set automatically, so make sure the set automatically is turned on and the date and time will be automatically according to the place you are. Sometimes it's off and it causes the problem. They should fix your problem, and if it still doesn't, what you want to do is go back all the way and come to setting again, scroll all the way down until you see messages. Once you see messages like this, click on it. Now once you're over here where it says iMessages, make sure it is turned on because sometimes iMessages is turned off, so that's why it causes the problem. And yeah, if you turn it on, it should be fixed. And on my send and receive, my phone number is linked. In your case, if your phone number or your email, both of them are not linked, then what you have to do is you have to make sure you're logged in into your Apple ID. Now to know you're logged into your Apple ID, you can come to setting. Mine says Kevonite Kevin over here. That's my Apple ID name, which means I'm logged in. If you don't see that, you're not logged in. Alright, and even after turning on your iMessages, if it's still not fixed, you come back to setting and where it says software update available, you click on that. In my case, the software update is available. I should click on download and install and enter the password of my phone. After I do that, I should be able to turn on my update and my iPhone should be updated. Once my iPhone is up to date, my problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the last option is come to setting, go on cellular, scroll all the way down, and then over here where it says reset statistics, click on it and click on reset statistics. Once you do that, all your network and your cellular data will be resetted. Once you do that, it should be fixed. So yeah, that's how we guys can fix your iMessage sign out error. And yeah, make sure to restart your phone as well. Sometimes simply restarting your phone fixes your problem as well. So hope I was able to help you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.